guys, give me your speed. We're about 105, 110, trying to catch up. They're still a little ways away. It's pretty good traffic. Still south of that there one's got it, if you want to call it.
10-3, 10-3. Someone just hit him into the woods.
The 252. Every unit behind us, stop traffic, we got plenty up here.
9 Charlie 14, I'll be in the far right lane, stopping traffic.
Shut it down. Car in the woods, can't see the driver.
Charlie 14, anybody got eyes?
Air 1 does not have eyes on the suspect.
Alright, everybody heads up. He's trying to drive the car out of the woods. Alright guys, we're going to get 2 shields. We're going to approach, trying to rock the car back and forth so he's still inside. Look, when they get a shield, let's pin him in.
What is got going, bro?
Watch him! Cross the me! Coming out the driver's side!
Y'all do not walk up on this car. We got enough people up here. Dog! Press the dog! He's on the move again in a Coco K9 Explorer going north on 95.
Over your ass!
Hey, get behind the car! Oh, you kidding me?
They got him? What? Where'd he go? 41 and another Explorer northbound.
Air 1, follow that car. He got another car.
Air 1's got eyes, still northbound.
Black Coco K9 Explorer.
Okay, we got units coming up just south of Dunlawton. It's the only vehicle coming at you, center lane, blue lights on. Only vehicle, about 3 seconds out.
That weapons accessible in the cab. Any other vehicle dealing with them, lock your doors.
Alright, we gotta stick in.
Alright. Delta 32 has eyes northbound.
14 to whoever's calling it. You want the traffic to stay put.
Car 1, give Air 1 the air.
Still northbound 95, half mile south of Dunlawton. Half mile south of Dunlawton.
Lieutenant Shank, I need to know if there's any guns in that car that he just stole in the front.
Still northbound on 95, passing Dunlawton. Traffic stopped on the on-ramp for Dunlawton. Still no traffic, northbound, center lane.
The channels are patched now with 5.
Which car? The Coco car?
Coco SUV, Coco SUV. In the shoulder right now.
Ticket from both Port Orange units. False ticket.
Are there guns in the front of the car? Ask the K9 handler from Coco. He says yes, there probably is.
Okay, vehicle is smoking north of 95, or north of Dunlawton by about a half mile. Going into the inside lane.
Being advised that's a SWAT officer's vehicle. Don't be in the same lane with him, he's going to lose debris all over the road.
Inside lane, he's starting to slow down. It's about a quarter mile south of Williamson overpass.
Okay, 911, if you're not already, hurry up and get up here. I'm coming. Hey, you guys let K9 to the front, let K9 to the front. Car 1, make sure you get some long guns up here too.
Still northbound, north of the Williamson overpass.
X-ray 11's at 92, does it need more sticks or no? Alright, everybody hold there. We need a K9 up here, Mike, where you at? Passing Williamson. Alright, he's braking for the median, guys, he's braking for the median. Braking for the median, everybody slow down, don't ball up here.
It's underneath the wires. Underneath the wires. In the median.
Boy, there's going to be K9 in the signal 10.
10-3, 10-3.
We got one thrown down on the ground. Being secured.
1642 hours.
CO3 Central. I need a Coco unit back here at the first scene where their vehicle went into the woods. CO3 Central. Send the fire department to the 252, and if there's a K9 that can come.
Boy, there's going to be K9 in the signal 10.
10-3, 10-3.
Step back. Don't grab it. That's good. All right. Yeah. That's CIA. I'm Central Intelligence. I'm Central Intelligence. Police. Stand up. I had to go. I'm there. Make sure he doesn't have any weapons on him.
Do me a favor. See if you can get somebody to see inventory what's in this. Yep.
What is this?
Now it's locked.
Coco. Where's Coco at? That's that blue. That's why. That's give me the
No. Take him. He goes to them. We're in their county. They take him.
911.
We got to put them in their county.
37. I say integrity. I say caller. Hey, woo!
Hey, don't put him in the car. Let's search him.
Kid. All right.
Spread your feet.
Hey,
Spread your feet.
F-150. Red in the house. Herbert.
Hey,
Camouflage.
Quiet.
Edgewater.
Quiet.
I'm scared of Edgewater. They try to kill me. For real.
Well, you killed just about everybody else, so.
No, that blue truck right now. That's gone.
Yeah, but it looks like there's a little bit of blood on the
That blue truck. That blue truck.
That's the police's.
That police. Man down in the field. 784. Y'all see the headlights. Y'all see the truth. They say a helicopter. We follow red tails. Green say shoot. Green say Coco. Police. Red say 5.
Hey, where's Brady?
What's fishing?
Brady.
Say double take. Y'all say okay. Pull him in. Y'all say here. Go to Georgia.
This is CST right here.
Right here. Right there walking. Across this way. Y'all say catch. F-150. Pull the Bulldogs. Y'all say GML. I say God. They got who? The devil. FBI. Say CIA. DEA. Herbert. Paul. Will. Vicky. Courtney. Say Bell Cubbies. Dennis Jones Cubbies. Larry Baldwell. Say Trooper. F-17 FPL. Florida Patrol Economics. DOT. Department of Transportation. Blue, blue, blue. Never say go. Go say true. Stone Cold State Officer. Say help me, help me, help me. They say look, it's a V&V shape. Camouflage, camouflage. It's a double take. Y'all say V. They say no. They shoot me, they gon' kill me. Then FFP say blue. You say true. I say soldier. I ain't got the pin in my wig. Peel these caps back. Y'all say blue. They say soldier. I steal. Point blue. Trap 4. Y'all say blue. I say Brevard County. Brevard County. I say no. Flex. Shell Volusia County. No. SRX. I'll go back. Y'all kill him.
You might want to start double taking them.
No. They say don't come back. Ain't true. Y'all say F-150. Volusia. High State. Dodge. FFP. Florida State 50121. Check in. Y'all say Soldier Bulldogs. I'm in trouble. Y'all say who? 5-day County.
Yeah, I know.
Who? Beyonce. Transport. I say Malibu Chevy. I say man down in the highway.
Watch your head.
Ow. I say I can't put it down. I say Fred. Y'all say what?
Watch your head.
Volusia County.
Scoot
Fred, come and see you. Fred, come and see you. Go to jail.